Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your check engine light came on and your scanner shows the P0442 trouble code, don't worry, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to explain exactly what P0442 means, what causes it, the symptoms you might notice, and the best steps to fix it, starting from the easiest and cheapest solutions, all the way to more advanced repairs. First, let's decode what P0442 actually means. This is an OBD2 diagnostic trouble code that stands for Evaporative Emission Control System Leak Detected, Small Leak. Your EVAP system is designed to trap fuel vapors from your gas tank and prevent them from escaping into the atmosphere. These vapors are stored in a charcoal canister and later sent to the engine to be burned during normal operation. Here's the thing, P0442 doesn't always come with obvious symptoms. Many drivers only notice the check engine light, but in some cases, you might also experience a faint smell of gasoline near the fuel tank or engine bay, slightly reduced fuel efficiency, your car failing an emissions test. The tricky part is that your car will usually run fine, which is why many people ignore it, but leaving it can cause bigger problems later. Now, let's talk about what usually causes the P0442 code. In order most common to least common. 1. Loose or damaged gas cap. Believe it or not, this is a number one cause. If you didn't tighten the cap after refueling, or if the rubber seal is worn out, vapors can escape. 2. Cracked or disconnected EVAP hoses. These small rubber or plastic lines can dry out, crack, or come loose over time. 3. Faulty purge or vent valve. These valves control how vapors flow through the EVAP system. If one sticks open or closed, it can cause leaks. 4. Leaking charcoal canister. Less common, but possible the canister is damaged or has been overfilled with liquid fuel. 5. Corroded fuel tank neck or seal. On older cars, rust can create tiny leak points. So, how do you find the problem? Start with the simple stuff. Step 1. Check your gas cap. Make sure it clicks when tightened. Inspect the rubber O-ring for cracks. If it's damaged, replace it. It's cheap and often fixes a code instantly. Step 2. Inspect visible EVAP hoses. Look for cracks, holes, or loose connections. Step 3. If those look fine, you might need a smoke test. This is where a special machine pushes smoke into the EVAP system, and wherever the smoke escapes, that's your leak. This is usually done at a repair shop. So that's the full breakdown of the P0442 code, a small EVAP leak. Start with the cheapest fix first and work your way up. Sometimes a $15 gas cap can save you from a $200 repair. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car repair tips, and drop a comment if you've dealt with P0442 before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.